If you need to switch Steam accounts quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to log out of one Steam account and sign into another, plus a few simple tips to make the process even smoother next time. This is perfect if you share a computer, manage multiple Steam accounts, or just want to jump between accounts without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam Community, or go to the Steam store in your browser. You can do this from any device, but the browser method is usually the quickest when you want to switch accounts fast. Once Steam loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your username. This opens your account menu where you'll see the option to log out. Click Logout. Steam will immediately take you back to the sign-in page. Now, if you've used more than one account on this browser before, you may see another saved account appear right away. If that happens, you can just click that account and skip typing everything again. That's the fastest possible way to switch. If the second account does not appear, no problem. Just enter the other Steam account name and password manually, then click Sign In. After that, Steam will load the other account and you're ready to go. To make future switching even faster, it helps to let your browser save passwords. That way, you won't have to remember or retype everything every time. It also helps to keep multiple accounts remembered on the login page whenever possible, because Steam can sometimes show your recently used accounts for quicker access. Another useful tip is to use separate browser profiles if you switch between accounts often. For example, you can keep one profile for your main account and another profile for a secondary account. That keeps logins cleaner and can save you a lot of time. So to recap, the quick method is simple. Open Steam, click your username, choose Logout, then sign back in with the other account. It only takes a few seconds once you've done it a couple of times. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.